Welcome to Global English Tales, where stories from all over the world come alive in easy English. Today, meet Max from Germany and Lily from Canada, two travelers visiting the lively town of Sunderpur. Their simple goal? To taste the sweetest mangoes from the town's legendary mango tree. But there's a trick. A group of clever local monkeys guard the tree and don't want to share their treasure. Max believes his high-tech gadgets can help him get the mangoes, while Lily thinks kindness and sharing will win the monkeys' trust. Join Max and Lily on a funny and heartwarming adventure filled with playful monkeys, silly mistakes, and unexpected friendships. Along the way, you'll see how patience, laughter, and kindness bring people and monkeys together. Whether you're here to improve your English or just enjoy a fun story, get ready to laugh and learn with Monkey Business Begins, only on Global English Tales. Part 1. Max's Mango Mission. Max had traveled all the way from Germany to the colorful town of Sunderpur, hoping to taste the much famous mangoes from its legendary mango tree. Packed with his latest gadgets, like a remote-controlled mango picker and a small drone, he was confident technology would help him succeed. Early one bright morning, Max tiptoed through the mango orchard. Towering mango trees stretched above, their branches heavy with golden fruit. But there was a challenge. A troop of clever local monkeys claiming the biggest tree as their kingdom. The monkeys watched Max closely, their eyes full of mischief and protectiveness. Max set up his robotic mango picker next to the tree. As he switched it on, the machine's arms swung out wildly, knocking over baskets and startling the monkeys. They erupted in noisy chatter, jumping from branch to branch, warning Max to back off. Startled, Max hid behind a bush as the monkeys took control of the branches. Just then, Lily arrived with a cheerful smile. She teased Max about his overly eager machine, but he was determined not to give up. Max realized quickly that his gadgets alone wouldn't be enough. The monkeys were too smart and protective. This was no ordinary mango heist. It was an adventure filled with fun and unexpected challenges. Max and Lily decided that teamwork might be their best tool yet. The real journey to win the monkeys' trust and the mangoes was about to begin. Part 2. Lily's Clever Plan. After Max's machine caused an uproar, Lily knew it was time for a different approach. "We need to be kind, not sneaky," she said, pulling out a small bag filled with bananas and mango slices from her backpack. "Monkeys love treats," she explained. "Maybe if we share, they will trust us." Max listened carefully as Lily gently approached the troop, offering fruit with an open hand. At first, the monkeys were wary and chattered softly among themselves. Then, a brave baby monkey stepped forward, sniffed a banana, and took it from Lily's hand. One by one, more monkeys joined, eagerly enjoying the snacks. Max smiled, impressed by Lily's gentle way. The atmosphere turned friendly and fun. But just when they felt hopeful, the troop's leader, a cheeky monkey named Momo, suddenly snatched Max's wide-brimmed hat and jumped onto the nearest branch. Max groaned. "Now I have to get my hat back." Lily laughed. "Looks like Momo wants to play a little game." Their simple mango hunt had turned into a playful chase. Together, Max and Lily learned that kindness and laughter were slowly breaking down barriers. They sat under the mango tree, watching the monkeys enjoy the fruit and their new friends. Friendship was growing, and the next part of their adventure promised even more surprises. Part 3: The Chase and the Missteps. Momo proudly perched on a high branch, waving Max's hat like a trophy. Max wanted to climb after him, but Lily stopped him gently. "Let's not scare him away," she said. "We need patience and more kindness." Lily took out a juicy mango slice and waved it slowly. Momo's eyes locked on the fruit, and he began to descend the branches carefully. Max reached out, but as he took a step forward, he slipped on a loose leaf and tumbled back onto the soft grass. Lily burst into laughter at Max's clumsy fall. "Maybe climbing isn't the best idea," Max admitted, rubbing his head. They placed mango slices near the tree's base as fresh offers. Momo eyed the treats with interest. With a quick leap, he jumped down but missed a branch and fell into a bush with a surprised yelp. Laughing at the silly fall, he grabbed both the mango slice and Max's hat before scampering away to a safe spot. Max sighed. He's definitely winning this chase. But that's part of the fun, Lily smiled. Sometimes the adventure is better than the prize. As the sun began to set, Max and Lily sat beneath the mango tree, feeling happy despite their losses. They had started as strangers seeking mangoes, but were growing into friends, both with each other and the clever monkeys that called the orchard home. Part 4: Mangoes, Mayhem, and Mishaps. The next morning, Max and Lily prepared a small picnic by the mango tree, hoping to build trust by sharing fruit directly. They brought ripe mangoes and local snacks, setting the basket gently on soft grass. Monkeys approached cautiously, with Momo leading. One by one, the troop took treats happily, their chatter turning into joyful squeals. Max and Lily enjoyed the peace, watching the new bonds being made. Suddenly, a young monkey, excited and playful, dashed into the picnic and knocked over the basket. Mangoes rolled across the grass like colorful balls, and chaos followed. Monkeys jumped and darted, tossing fruit and squeaking loudly. Max lunged to catch a rolling mango, but tripped over a hidden root, falling into a pile of leaves. Lily laughed heartily, while a mischievous monkey snatched her scarf from above, swinging from a low branch. Trying to capture the moment on his phone, Max accidentally triggered music from his playlist. The loud melody stunned the monkeys, who paused before bursting into enthusiastic dancing. Branches swayed and tails twirled in rhythm. Seeing the fun, Lily began to sing a silly mango song. One by one, the monkeys joined in, and the orchard filled with laughter, chatter, and music. Humans and monkeys danced side by side, united by the joy of friendship. By evening, Max and Lily understood that winning the monkeys' trust would take more than gadgets or snacks. It would take laughter and shared moments. Part 5: The Unlikely Victory. The morning sun bathed the orchard in golden light as Max and Lily visited the mango tree again. This time empty-handed, but full of hope and smiles. The troop greeted them, calm and curious. Momo approached Max, gently returning his stolen hat. Max accepted it with a grateful smile. Max and Lily laid out a small plate with mango slices and local treats they had learned about from village friends. The monkeys came closer, sharing the feast with laughter and friendly chatter. Villagers and children gathered, enchanted by the joyful scene. A local flutist joined, playing a soft melody that mingled with the monkeys' chattering. The mango tree became a shared symbol of harmony between people, monkeys, and cultures. Max whispered, "I came here seeking the sweetest mangoes, but I found something sweeter, friendship." Lily nodded, and the best moments are those we share together. As the day faded into evening, the celebration continued under the trees' sheltering branches. Max, Lily, monkeys, and villagers laughed and danced, neighbors united by kindness, patience, and a little mango magic. Their adventure ended not with a grab for fruit, but with an open heart and new friends. A victory sweeter than any mango. Thank you for joining Max and Lily on their fun mango adventure in Sunderpur. What started as a simple quest for fruit turned into a joyful story of friendship, patience, and laughter. Max and Lily learned that winning isn't about tricks or gadgets, but about sharing and kindness. Their journey with the playful monkeys teaches us that the best rewards in life come from building trust and enjoying moments together, even when things don't go as planned. The mango tree became a symbol not just of delicious fruit, but of connection across cultures and species. We hope this story brought a smile to your face and inspired you to embrace new friendships and adventures. For more heartwarming and entertaining stories from all over the world, keep watching Global English Tales, where every story helps you learn English while having fun. Until next time, keep smiling, keep exploring, and remember, stories connect us all.